Hello from Slovenia again. I'm still playing with this ragged bloom technique, or how can I say, when I do kind of a bloom with blowing out paint and then rack it and tilt it. It's not a bloom mixture. These paints are just mixed with my pouring medium, sorry, as they are when I do my flower dips, so it's nothing special. How I mix my paint you can see in my video number 208. So I noticed that one of my videos just reached million views today, so I'm happy. And I really want to say thank you to all of you who supporting me and make this channel as it is. So I'm really thankful, and I'm planning on some giveaway. I will probably wait to 80,000 subscribers and I will do a giveaway to celebrate 1 million views and 80,000 subscribers. So I hope that this will be this month. I'm almost at 78, so if you want to help my channel grow and help me to do art for you, please share my videos on social medias. This way you help me with my art. So, no, I want to okay. I will torch this a little bit just to pop these air bubbles. And I think that I have something in here. Right here. See? Okay. So today I will use some I will call it candy combination, because it has some pinks and blues and turquoises and gold, and we will see what will happen. I think that my pearl white thickened up a little bit, so I will just put a little water in it. Okay, And I will start with pearl white today. Okay. And this is iridescent blue-green. And I will add the gold next. Okay. And then some brilliant blue. And some magenta. Okay. And some, whoops, pearl white. And some of this pink. Oh, and this burgundy. And pearl white again. And some of this kind of turquoise. This is this Pebeo iridescent blue-green. Some gold. Maybe this one is a little on the thin side. We will see. And some brilliant blue again. And some pearl again. And quinacridone rose. And pearl again. And some gold again. I know that it's a lot of paint, but if you watched my videos, you know that I don't go for a bloom, so I want to cover quite a bit of my canvas, so that's why I need a little more paint. And now I will blow this out. Oops. And as you can see, I already get some nice lacing. And this time I will do a spiral from the middle to the outside, and I just when I blow it, I just did a mess here. So I will grab this brush and I will go from the middle this time, kind of middle. Okay, let's see how this will work. And I will just pour a little more white around. And now I will stretch this. Maybe I will leave some negative space this time. And I don't know if I have enough paint. That's why you need a lot of paint, not like with the blooms. But you have to stretch it to get these effects out, otherwise you will not get much of lacing and cells if you will not stretch it. So and one of my push pens broke. And I just dripped. Oh, I hate this. Have to do something. Sorry, sometimes I'm talking to myself. I really don't like this part here, so I will just blend it a little bit. Where is the push band that it needs help here? When you use them all over again, they can break, so okay, it will be okay. Let me take you a little closer that you will see. It reminds me on some candy garden, I don't know. I like these colors together. They are beautiful. And when this gold will be dry, it will shining through this paint, so I think it will be nice. Okay, let's see these details. So many beautiful details. I just love this technique, I have to say, because you can get really nice, interesting painting with a lot of lacing and cells and beautiful things hiding into the painting. So I'm happy with this candy kind of garden. So this is it for today, and I decided that I will do Sunday live with this technique, and I hope that you will join me so we can discuss if we can do it a little differently or how we can do it again in some other shapes or something. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!